Bow tie quilts, a timeless classic that never goes out of style. These charming patterns blend simplicity with elegance, making them perfect for quilters of all skill levels. Today, we're exploring some of the best free bow tie quilt patterns available, offering you inspiration for your next project. Let's start with the Hugs and Kisses quilt by Krista Watson. This enchanting take on the bow tie quilt block presents an X's and O's design, making it perfect for Valentine's Day, Christmas, or even as a unique autograph quilt for weddings. The finished quilt measures 48 inches by 64 inches, offering a versatile size for various uses. For those looking to add a festive touch to their quilting, Mr. Jack's Bow Tie Block by Claudia Vess is a standout choice. This Halloween-themed block features a striking three-dimensional effect, perfect for adding depth and interest to your seasonal decorations. The finished block measures 5 inches by 5 inches, making it ideal for smaller projects or as part of a larger quilt. If you're in the mood for something bright and cheerful, the Polka Tot Quilt by Abigail Dollinger is sure to catch your eye. This pattern comes in 2 sizes, a cozy baby quilt and a larger twin size, and features playful polka dot bow tie blocks. It's an excellent choice for using up fabric scraps and adding a burst of color to any room. For those who enjoy working on a smaller scale, the Bitty Bow Ties pattern by Susan Kirschenheiter offers a delightful miniature version of the classic bow tie block. The finished quilt measures 15.5 inches by 18.5 inches, making it perfect as an elegant table topper. When working with bow tie quilt patterns, remember that fabric choice can greatly impact the final look of your quilt. Don't be afraid to experiment with different color combinations and prints. Whether you're a seasoned quilter or just starting out, there's a bow tie pattern that's perfect for you. So why not give one a try? Your next quilting masterpiece might just be a bow tie away. For even more inspiration, visit ilovequiltingforever.com and explore a wide collection of bow tie quilt patterns waiting for you.